Foxes are fascinating animals with a wide range of behaviors that are both intriguing and mysterious. These behaviors include social interactions, hunting techniques, territorial marking, and more. In this video, we will explore various aspects of fox behavior, starting with an overview of the fox's anatomy and physiology. We will delve into their social behavior, including communication, social structure, and parenting. Additionally, we will examine their feeding behavior, including their diet and hunting techniques. We will also discuss territorial behavior and the importance of habitat for foxes. Finally, we will explore human and fox interactions. Foxes are small to medium-sized canids with distinctive physical characteristics that set them apart from other animals. Most fox species have a pointed snout, a bushy tail, and a slender, agile body. Their fur is typically reddish-brown, although some species have gray, black, or silver fur. Additionally, foxes have keen senses, including excellent hearing and eyesight, which help them navigate their surroundings and hunt prey. They are also known for their sharp teeth and strong jaws, which they use to catch and consume their prey. In addition to their excellent senses, foxes have evolved a variety of adaptations that help them survive in their environment. Their agile bodies and sharp claws enable them to climb trees, dig burrows, and move quickly through different types of terrain. Additionally, foxes have adapted their hunting techniques to their prey, using stealth and speed to catch smaller animals or working in groups to take down larger prey. They have also developed the ability to store excess food for later consumption, burying it in caches for times when food is scarce. Foxes' large ears can detect the faintest of sounds, allowing them to hear the movements of small animals in the undergrowth or the scurrying of insects in the soil. Their eyes are positioned on the front of their head, giving them depth perception and the ability to judge distances accurately. This enables them to pounce on prey with great accuracy, even in low-light conditions. In addition, foxes have an acute sense of smell, which they use to locate food, identify predators, and communicate with other foxes. Foxes have a complex system of communication that includes vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. They use a variety of vocalizations to convey different messages, such as barks, yelps, and screams. These sounds can indicate a range of emotions, including alarm, aggression, and playfulness. Foxes also use body language to communicate, such as tail and ear positions, as well as facial expressions. Additionally, foxes mark their territory with scent, using urine, feces, and glandular secretions. This scent marking helps foxes establish their territory and communicate their presence to other foxes. Most fox species live in small family groups consisting of a male, female, and their offspring. These family groups work together to defend their territory, hunt for food, and care for their young. Within these groups, there is usually a hierarchy based on age and size, with older and larger foxes holding a dominant position. Foxes typically mate in the winter, with the female giving birth to her litter of pups in the spring. The gestation period for foxes varies depending on the species but typically lasts between 51 and 63 days. Once born, the pups are entirely dependent on their mother for nourishment and protection, with the father sometimes helping to provide food for the family. The mother will nurse her pups for several weeks, during which time she rarely leaves the den. As the pups grow, they begin to explore their surroundings and play with their siblings, developing important social skills. Both parents will help to care for and protect the young until they are old enough to fend for themselves, usually at around 4 months of age. Foxes typically reach sexual maturity at around 10 months of age, and the cycle of reproduction and parenting continues. Foxes are opportunistic feeders, meaning they eat a wide variety of prey depending on what is available in their environment. Their diet typically includes small mammals such as rodents, rabbits, and hares, as well as birds, reptiles, and insects. They have also been known to scavenge for food, eating carrion and raiding human garbage cans. Foxes are skilled hunters, using their keen senses and agile bodies to catch prey. They often hunt alone, using stealth and speed to surprise and capture their prey. Foxes are skilled and adaptable hunters, using a variety of techniques to catch their prey. One of the most common methods is stalking, in which the fox moves slowly and silently toward its target, waiting for the right moment to pounce. Foxes are also excellent jumpers and will often use this ability to ambush prey from above. Another hunting technique is digging, in which the fox will use its strong forelimbs and sharp claws to excavate prey from their burrows. When it comes to consuming their food, foxes typically eat their prey whole, including bones and fur. Their digestive systems are adapted to break down these tough materials, allowing them to extract as much nutrition as possible from their food. Foxes are found in a wide range of habitats, including forests, grasslands, deserts, and even urban areas. Different species of foxes have different habitat preferences, with some preferring dense cover and others more open terrain. Foxes are also territorial animals, with individuals or family groups defending a particular area against intruders. Territory size varies depending on the species and the availability of resources in the area. Foxes use a variety of methods to mark their territory, including scent marking and vocalizations. They will also aggressively defend their territory against intruders, often engaging in physical fights if necessary. Foxes' habitat and territorial behaviors play an important role in regulating their population and ensuring that they have access to the resources they need to survive. Foxes use marking behavior as a way to communicate with other foxes and to defend their territory. One common way they mark their territory is through scent marking. Foxes have scent glands located on their feet and anal area, which they use to leave their scent on objects within their territory. They may also urinate on objects to leave a more distinct scent marker. While foxes have been traditionally viewed as pests, there are many positive interactions that humans can have with them. One such interaction is through wildlife rehabilitation efforts, where injured or orphaned foxes are cared for and eventually released back into the wild. Additionally, foxes can be valuable in controlling pest populations, such as rodents and insects, in urban and agricultural areas. In some cultures, foxes are also viewed as important cultural or spiritual symbols, with many stories and legends featuring them as key characters. Overall, humans can have positive interactions with foxes by respecting their habitat and behavior, and by promoting conservation efforts to protect their populations. While foxes can have positive interactions with humans, there are also many negative interactions that can occur. One common issue is when foxes are perceived as pests and cause damage to property, such as digging up gardens or raiding chicken coops. In some cases, foxes may also carry diseases such as rabies or mange, which can be transmitted to humans or pets. Additionally, foxes can sometimes become habituated to humans, leading to more frequent encounters and potentially dangerous situations. In these cases, it is important to take precautions to avoid interacting with foxes and to seek assistance from wildlife professionals if necessary. In conclusion, foxes are fascinating and adaptive animals with a range of behaviors and characteristics that have allowed them to thrive in diverse environments around the world. From their physical adaptations and hunting techniques to their social structure and communication, foxes have a complex and dynamic set of behaviors that are constantly evolving in response to changing environmental pressures. While foxes can have both positive and negative interactions with humans, they play important ecological roles in their environments and can provide valuable benefits in controlling pest populations and promoting biodiversity. As humans continue to expand into natural habitats and interact with wildlife, it is important to promote coexistence with foxes and other species, and to manage their populations in a responsible and sustainable manner.